Welcome students to our channel Genius Math and Physics. Today we are going to have some multiple choice questions. The questions are like this: y equal to x plus e to the power x, then d square x by dy square equal to dash. The slope of the tangent at any point on the curve is equal to its y coordinate, then equation of the curve is dash. F of x equal to x square, then f dash of 3 by 2 is equal to dash. Write the set of the values for which the function sin x minus x is increasing. Four options are given here. Okay students, question number 5 on the board. Sin inverse x plus sec inverse 1 by x is equal to y, then dy by dx equal to dash. In what interval the function ln x by x is decreasing? The four options are given here. Write the set of the points where the function f of x is equal to x cube has relative extrema. Four options are given here. And the subinterval 0 pi for which the sine of x plus pi by 4 is increasing is no interval is found. Minus pi by 4, comma pi by 4, and 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 9 pi by 4, and all are right. These questions to be practiced, please students, for scoring the higher mark in mathematics. Then these questions should be practiced. If any doubt in this question, then you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, next, the function y equal to a sin x plus 1 by 3 sin 3x has maximum value at x equal to pi by 3, then the value of a is equal to dash. The equation of normal to the curve 3y square equal to 8x at 3, 4 is dash. The slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to log x whole square at x equal to 1 by e is dash. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 integration log of 10x plus cot x dx equal to dash. Please students, these questions to be practiced more and more. One question, how you will solve it? First, you take the question and pause the video, solve it, then go to the next one, pause the video, and then answer it. Like this manner, if you proceed in this way, then you will get all the answers. These questions are only on the fundamental based questions. अगर कुछ भी डाउट है, फिर भी कुछ डाउट है, तो आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख जरूर बताइएगा, मैं इसको सॉल्व कर लूँगा. क्योंकि मुझे आज एक्चुअली ये जो वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, मेरा तबीयत भी ठीक नहीं है और ना कि मेरा मूड भी ठीक है, क्योंकि हम लोगों को बहुत सारा क्वेश्चन जो है हम लोगों को ये करना है, कवर करना है. तो इसलिए आप लोग ये काम कीजिए कि ये सब प्रैक्टिस करके जो भी क्वेश्चंस डाउट है, जो भी सवाल तुम्हें नहीं आ रहा है, प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखना. आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में कुछ भी नहीं लिखते हो, ठीक है. ये वीडियो सिर्फ आप लोगों के लिए है, इसलिए क्या करना है, एक को सवाल को जाना और इसको पॉज करके इसका आंसर निकालना, सेकंड को जाना और इसको ये बहुत कम टाइम लेना है, क्योंकि आजकल तो एग्जाम भी नज़दीक है आप लोगों को. इसलिए मैंने ये शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस दे रहा हूँ ताकि ये आपके काम में आ जाएगा. थैंक यू. और क्वेश्चंस लिखो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. f of x is equal to integration of 0 e to the power 2t sin 3t dt provided lower limit and upper limit is 0 and x, then f dash x is equal to dash. 5 to the power x dx is equal to integration dash 1 by 1 plus sin x dx is equal to dash. The four options are given: sec x plus tan x plus c, tan x minus sec x plus c, sec x 4, none. The order and degree of the differential equation given dq y by dx cube is equal to d square y by dx square whole square plus dy by dx whole fourth plus y is dash. Option 1, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, none of these. Order and degree. The differential equation y equal to a cos of x plus b is dash. The general solution of differential equation y equal to x square plus c e to the power minus x. What is the particular solution at y equal to 0 when x equal to 1? Integrating factor of differential equation dy by dx plus y sec x equal to 10x is dash. A cross b plus b cross a magnitude is equal to dash. Four options are given. For what value of mu the vector mu into this much is of unit length? Yes. Next, question number 22. A, B, C are mutually perpendicular vectors, then a plus b plus c mod is equal to dash. The value of m and n for which the vectors this and this are parallel to each other, then m and n value. the value of A cross B cross C plus B cross C cross A plus C cross A cross B is equal to dash. Answer will be null vector, not 0. Okay. The volume of the parallelepiped with adjacent dash, adjacent minus A, K and minus I is dash unit. Volume of the parallelepiped, you know, A dot B cross C, first dot, second cross third. Okay. Question number 26. Question number 26. The equation of the plane perpendicular to y-axis and passing through the points 0, minus 2, 0 is dash. Alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by a vector with positive direction of x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. Then sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to dash. Options are given here. The equation of the line passing through the points 4, minus 6, 1 and parallel to the line, this one is a dash. I'm going to solve this one. You see, the line is passing through 4, minus 6, 1. Thereby, we can write ABC 4, minus 6, 1. Meaning is that this is x0, y0 and z0. And this line is parallel to the line this one. If the two lines are parallel to each other, then the direction ratios are equal or proportional. So, direction ratios of this line is nothing but 1, minus 3 as well as 1. But since the line is passing through 4, minus 6, 1, x0, y0, z0, so x minus x0 is equal to y minus, yes, y minus y0 equal to z minus z0 by c. Answer. For what value of k the lines x minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 minus y by k equal to z minus 1 by 4 is parallel to the plane, this one. This is not in the symmetric form. So this symmetric form will be y minus 1 by minus k. Then if the lines have direction ratio A, B, C and here A dash, B dash and C dash, then we can apply the condition of parallelism A dash plus B dash plus C dash equal to C. The DRS of the line 2x plus 3y plus 4z is dash. 2x equal to 3y equal to 4z is dash. X by half equal to y by 1 by 3 equal to z by 1 by 4. So answer is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Next question number 31. The value of 1 by a, 1 bc, 1 by b, 1 ca, 1 by c, 1 ab is equal to dash. 4 options are 1, 0, minus 1 and none of which. A is an inversible matrix, then determinant of A inverse is 1 by determinant of A, determinant of A determinant of A, none. Question number 33. Determinant of A equal to minus 2. A is a 3 by 3 matrix, then find A into adjoint A. Answer is A into adjoint A is equal to determinant of A into I. So your answer would be minus 2 into I. Answer is minus 2 into 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So answer is minus 2, 0, 0, 0, minus 2, 0, 0, 0, minus 2. Important question, please. Next is question number 34. A is given a square b square plus a square b square equal to 1, then A inverse equal to dash. And the question number 35 is A11C into C11 plus C21 plus A12 into C12 plus C22 plus A13 into C13 plus C23 is equal to dash. The answer is A11 into C11, A12 into C12, A13 into C13 is delta. A11 C21 plus A12 C12, A13 minus 2 C23 is equal to minus delta. You know delta is the value of the determinant. So plus delta minus delta is equal to 0. Answer right. I have given the 35 questions. These 35 questions to be practiced. If that means if you have practiced this one, then you can skip the question and then proceed for next one. Don't waste the time. If you know all these questions answers, then I think you would get maximum to maximum questions out of this. Previously I have given 15 more questions, 35 plus 15, this is 50 most important questions on MCQ. Please watch the video and pause the video and continue one by one the questions to be solved, and so that you can score very good mark. Thank you.